This is the brief on Robert Meyer's new book, AGENTIC AI. Okay, so if you're a C-level exec, you're gonna want to listen to this. Think of this book as your essential survival guide for taking cool AI prototypes and actually getting them into production. It really tackles that big question. Why do so many of these projects just die right after the demo? First, Meyer warns us about the post-POC reality. And wow, this is where a brutal 80% of agentic AI projects fail. And get this, it's not because the tech is bad, it's because companies totally underestimate the complexity of scaling up. I mean, going from 10 test users to 10,000, that's not a straight line. It needs a whole new architecture to handle all the edge cases and latency. Second, let's talk total cost of ownership. A lot of execs make the huge mistake of only looking at LLM token costs. But Meyer says real cost engineering has to include all the hidden stuff, the heavy infrastructure, the database retrieval loops. If you miss those, your budget doesn't just grow, it explodes. Finally, to stop all those crashes and cost overruns, you need agent ops. Meyer argues for this new operational standard, one that focuses on his 7 critical dimensions, like robust security and error handling. The whole idea is to build a system that can self-heal instead of just crashing the second an API times out. So look, this book is the blueprint to make sure your enterprise is in the 20% that succeeds, turning all that AI hype into real, measurable profit. Seriously, grab a copy before you greenlight your next pilot.